First, go to the Extensions tab and ensure the LoRa extension is on the extensions list. If not, upgrade Automatic1111 to the latest version. Next, visit the Civit AI website. Click on Models. In the Filter section, choose LoRa. Then select the base model you wish to pair with your LoRa. Then choose the LoRa model you'd like to use and download it. Move the downloaded LoRa file to your Stable Diffusion Models LoRa folder. Now navigate to Extensions and restart the UI. Click on the LoRa tab below, and you should find your LoRa model listed there. If the LoRa tab isn't visible, it's likely you're using an older version of Automatic1111. To reveal it, click the Show Extra Networks icon located below the Generate button. I'll test the LoRa by creating an image of a samurai cat. Next, I'll navigate to the LoRa tab and click on my Add Detail LoRa. This will add the LoRa to the prompt. Then I'll generate the image again. Let's see what is going to happen if I adjust the LoRa value to its maximum negative setting and create the image once more. I'll continue modifying the LoRa value until I achieve the desired result. If your LoRa lacks a preview thumbnail, choose an image, place it in the LoRa folder, and rename it to exactly match the LoRa file name. Then restart the UI. Go to the LoRa tab, and here it is.